Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to stop pop-up ads on your computer. So, to do that, go to your browser and then click the extension icon at the upper right corner and click Manage Extensions. Then in here, tap the or click the three lines at the upper left corner and click Open Chrome Web Store. Then in here, on the search the store bar, type adblock, then enter. And then in here, download this adblock, the best and advertisement blocker. Then click add extension. You can see now that adblock is downloaded on my computer. Then after that, adblock will stop pop-up advertisement on my computer. So that's it. That's how to stop pop-up ads on my computer. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.